Today I'm at the lovely Hampsted High Street. So I'm going to check out this high street to see shops and food and what they do. So join me on this tour. Yeah.
How long it takes me to walk to the table.
They're serving burgers on the street from this butchery, I think. It's called Harley's. Lead up to that later. Just having a look on this side of the street. The Horseshoe Inn. The menu.
How are you? How are you?
Yeah. Lots of places to sit outside in the cafes.
Yes.
So it's like a happy place to be so far. Oh, talking about happy Easter. Look at that high quality mangoes. So, you can get here via Hampstead station there. Hampstead station is the easiest to come. Look at that. There's a lot of people here on a Sunday. So, we'll go into that street soon enough across. There is chain restaurants here as well, but also mixed with independents. So you got Venchi, which is a chain, Gales on the right here. It's normal chain stuff you find in more upper class high streets in London. It's a nice little spot. There's a tree. So just looking at this, so there's a line here for fresh made burgers at this butchery called Harley's. So it's quite nice. It looks quite nice, smells good. The burgers, dry aged meat, and there you go, cooking away. That does look good. So that's Harley's.
Close your eyes and I kiss you.
Really nice atmosphere with the background live music. from that gentleman. Seems to be a line there for some sort of food. This looks like French food to me. It's a lovely spring day to be at Hampstead. I guess that's French crepes they're lining up for over there on that side. Bailey and Sage is another posh street market. This in better High Street in London. That's nice. I guess we are going towards the more quieter side of the Hampsted High Street area. Or the more medium end shops, high street shops that we are going to. Look at that. These are definitely high-end shops here, fancy shops. Look at that. You can get some nice pork pies, dry aged steak at the Hampstead butcher.
Yes.
It's a nice dry aged steak. Nice little old street. It's a famous antique shop, apparently. Antique. Salt beef pastrami.
Ah, es este.
It's a beautiful street. What an amazing, nice street this is. It's a view. This is a bit of the residential area. What beautiful architecture here. So nice. Such nice architecture. where we came from. What a beautiful street this is. Wow, what a place, huh? In spring, look at these colors. So amazing. How much it costed you? So beef. We can share one salt beef, and then we can continue.
Yeah.
Okay, order. Yeah. It's the famous salt beef here.
I think it's only gluten-free, some allergy.
The kitchen is bigger than this downstairs.
Where's your salt beef, Sydney? Oh. This is
Hey, what you cooking? Salad?
is the famous salt beef here at Olivet Sage. Looks nice and meaty with mustard, gherkin, sauerkraut or onions, not sure. Looks scrumptious. Entering this house museum called the Burgh House. So let's see how it is. It's free entry. Might be very nice. Wow, looks very nice. Welcome to the Burgh House. Just keep it close. So this is the history of the house. Just a beautiful place just to have even tea and cake. Let's enter. This is good for weddings. Very nice. Can have a nice wedding. So this house is now an art gallery as such. It just gives you the grand perspective of the size of these houses in Hampstead. This is the model of the house. Nice little cafe downstairs in the backyard. This is on the upper side of the Hampstead station. Again, lots of nice shops as usual. There's a lot of aesthetic stations. What is this? It's so picturesque. Look how small these doors are. You want to have a look? I'm going to Fenton House, see what it's about.
I kind of painted.
Yeah, so it shows from the inside.
If I put the sticker, when it spans and it's rings, it will not do. But for the lighters, you can do that. My clients say it's a good idea.
It's admission prices to see Fenton House. Let's go to the park.